You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the Queen herself, the wife of King Charles III of England. If you want to learn how to pronounce more names from the royal family that are often mispronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to watch. Queen Camilla is how it's pronounced in English. Camilla. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Queen Camilla. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.